Hi, this video will showcase how I mastered INST Standard 4.B, which is Design, Develop, and Implement Technology-Rich Professional Learning Programs that model principles of adult learning and promote digital age best practices in teaching, learning, and assessment. One assignment that I completed was coaching. Earlier in the year, I sent out a mass email to my school and I had teachers fill out a technology survey about what they feel would help them when it comes to implementing more instructional technologies into their classroom. So I chose one, and this is just an example of how the meeting would have taken place based upon discussions that we've had and things that she has stated that she would like to work on and would need support in. Here I have supporting details for a professional development application, which was another assignment that we completed. Um, and basically, what I am suggesting is that within this conference, summer workshop, 15 clock hours will be awarded as PLUs or CEUs, continuing education units for those who attend, PLUs for administrators. Um, Things that I believe that will help. One is Chalkable. I've created a site, a Google site to help people with basic um, functions within Chalkable. Also talk about various apps that can help those who have students with exceptionalities. And the last one is also dealing with various apps that could help increase student engagement within the classroom. Okay. Another thing I did to model for something that other educators can do as we're growing is I completed Google for Education Level 1 exam. So I am a Google certified educator. Now the training with Google was free, but there was a small fee to pay for the examination. And this achievement is good for 3 years. And lastly, I created a presentation with the audience being board members to try and persuade them to use micro credentials in place of mandatory professional development days. And key things that I hit on in my presentation were just the essentials. What is a micro credential? Where do you find them? What's the cost? How do you do it? When? And how do you apply this? So within this, I answer various ones. I provide a video to showcase what digital badges and micro credentials are. Another example, how it feeds into educators continuing to be lifelong learners. Here are three programs that offer um, micro credentials and badges. Some are free. Some, as I mentioned with Google, that I completed, the training was free, but the actual exam there was a fee. Um, so the pros and cons of each, micro credentials is fast. They're cheap. You don't have to enroll into a degree granting program in order to obtain them. It's performance based, student led, and it's asynchronous. You can do this at your own pace. You don't have to sit with a group of people in order to get this done. As far as professional development, sometimes it can be very mundane. It's not as engaging. It can be costly when you're paying various experts and professionals to come in and have these great professional development sessions. And it's synchronous. Everyone has to learn at the same time.